Hustler here, and it's another thrift vlog. Let's see what we can get into. Yeah, let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, comes to you live from the inside of my house. And yeah, another thrift vlog. Should be a lot of fun. You should be joining and subscribing and commenting to this channel. That's right, join this channel. I don't know how you do that, but you do that somehow. You can follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can also get the free money-making guide right here. It'll teach you items that you can look for at thrift stores and garage sales, and you can put this stuff on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, places like that, and make some money. Go check it out. It's probably the second link down below, because the first link down below is gonna be something really important. Okay, so this vlog just starts off, and quite honestly, I missed an intro to a vlog. I just didn't film one. So here's the intro. Let's just get right to the vlog and see what happens. So it's a beautiful day out here. I'm riding my bike, actually bringing a Brooks Beast shoe that sold for $59 to the mailman. He's right down the street over there. Spent about 15 bucks for these shoes, $15 in shipping. Sold them for 60 bucks. It's not exactly what I want to do, but hey, I'm moving inventory. And there's the little shipping guy. Let's go. Keeping active and hustling. There you go. You know, as usual, we have music playing super loud at the Goodwill. And, but I found something today, right? It's the next day. Found a mirror. A nice one too. Could be haunted. I'm not taking this one home, that's for sure. I'm not down with that Grudge Insidious, you know, stuff like that. No. Yeah, this mirror is pretty neat. It's gonna go in the booth for right around 100, 120 bucks. I paid 14 bucks for it. Pretty cool. All right, I'm at another thrift store called Thriftland or something like that. Found these Hoka Clifton 8s. Great condition. Look at the inside. Underside looking really good. You know, I'm all into this. It's a 2E size 12, which means it's probably gonna sell between 80 and like 120. But yeah, these are nice. They are, I think 16 bucks here, something like that. So I'm gonna pick them up. I love how this store puts all the flannels in one section, which is cool because, you know, it can get kind of time consuming trying to find an awesome flannel, but when they're in one section, you can look for like 1 to 3 solid brands. One of the main brands I try to look for is Filson for sure. Probably won't be one in here, but I just like how they put all the flannels in one section. Jackpot. This backpack is so badass. Oh my god. Outside of the antique booth, and I'm gonna drop off the Amityville horror freaking mirror right here. I'm not bringing this thing home, guys. If you want me to mail this thing to you so, you know, your entire life can crash and burn to the ground, that's cool. But yeah, I'm not bringing it to my house. It's a creepy mirror. I just have a feeling. So, knock this out. It's literally tagged up. A little taggy right here, don't know if you can see it. And then see where the rest of the vlog takes us, but it might end it pretty soon so I can open up another one. But yeah, that Jackpot, you know, backpack, one of a kind. Absolutely one of a kind. I have thoughts in my mind, like, should I keep this thing? It's pretty cool. I have a lot of backpacks, but man, that is something, like I said, like once every 10 years I might find something like that. And this one's in really good condition, like no screw ups. This one's perfect, but it's probably gonna resell between 200 and 400 bucks, I believe. Haven't done any research yet, but you know, they're around 2 to 4 in that condition. High ticket items to box, duh. So cool. You know, that backpack actually is in one of my guides. I don't know which one it is. I think it's in bags to bucks maybe. I don't know, but I have talked about that, like backpack. So I just dropped off the stuff in the antique booth. You know, we don't need to see that footage, but I did talk to one of the ladies at the front, and something really exciting is we're finally gonna get that booth video, you know, recorded in here. And she's gonna turn the music down for me and everything like that. I might even come in before the mall opens up. And then we can get a booth video done. So if you got booth Q&A, or if you have booth Qs, questions, put them down below. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing done. And I'm thinking like 2 to 3 weeks from now. I explained the booth, how it works, you know, typical kind of stuff you'd wanna look for. We're gonna go in depth, and I'll have a tripod, you know, camera, microphone, all that kind of stuff. We're gonna get in this thing, so. I know it's a piece of my business that I don't talk about a whole lot, but you see it on the, you know, the vlogs. But we're gonna talk about it. So I don't know if I covered this on this vlog or not. I don't think I did. But we bought, my girlfriend and I bought these 2 bikes right here. And these are Specialized Expedition. They're kind of like mountain bikes slash hybrid bikes. They keep you kind of upright, but they do have kind of trail-ish kind of tires. So, you know, we picked up both of these, I think for around 70, if I'm not mistaken. It could be 50. But anyway, one's a 17 and one is a 19 inch. So this is a large one. This is a medium one. This probably would resell between $250 and $300 a piece. We got some bikes to bucks, and that was picked up about 2 days ago. We found it on a Facebook Marketplace ad. Okay, so we have a package right over there going out right there. It's actually in high ticket items to bucks too. It's kind of funny. I actually finished the guide, and then like a couple days later, literally something in the guide, like the proof is in the pudding. It just sold. I think I'm $5 into that. Sold for 100, if I'm not mistaken. 100 should be about 15 to ship it, something like that. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna leave you with this cool find that I found at a garage sale because I got to box this up, and this is a total home run as well. So we got home runs and jackpots all over this video. This was actually found at a garage sale, and it is crazy, kind of crazy rare, really. I was at a garage sale, and this was $10. This is a vintage compact lights binocular right here, right? And you know, when you're looking for compact binoculars, especially the vintage ones, you're gonna want to look for Zeiss, you're gonna want to look for Swarovski, lights, like Leitz, whatever the, you know, lights. It's basically, I think what it was pre-Leica was this company right here. So very good survivor type optics right here. And the best part about it, guys, I'm telling you right now, because I'm the ultimate cheddar hunter, just hit the like button right now. Why buy one pair when you can buy two, baby? That's right. We got two of these things from the same garage sale. I spent $20. Each one of them is probably worth around $350. So pretty nice flips. Go check out high ticket items to bucks too. I think there are only 2 or 3 days left on the sale. It's the first link down below. Don't miss this opportunity to learn awesome items that will return big on your money. If you're going to be at a garage sale, investing the time, or a thrift store, investing the time, why not make more money? In order to do that, you have to learn more things, okay? This guide's going to help you out. First link down below. Get it while it's cheap. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.